You can change your life in 40 days. I know, I did. I used the 40-day manifestation meditation to find a husband. I've also used the 40-day forgiveness meditation to help me forgive those who hurt me and to forgive myself when I've hurt someone else. In this video, I'll take you step by step through the method of using these two magical, easy, quick meditations. It's Carol Chapman, author of Have Your Heart's Desire. Back in a few seconds. You can also call these meditations daily affirmations or prayers. I call them meditations because you really need to say them with mindfulness. The 40-day manifestation meditation helps you to manifest your desires in a wonderful way. That's because, unlike the law of attraction, you have a definite ending, the 40 days, to see whether or not you get what you wanted. This daily affirmation invokes the help of a higher power, or the creator, or the universe, or the force, or the infinite, whatever works for you. The second daily affirmation, the 40-day forgiveness meditation, is only between your subconscious and the subconscious mind of the person who hurt you or who you hurt. There is no deity or a higher power involved with it. Nonetheless, it's a marvelous healing affirmation because it heals you of inner conflict. It cured one man of a terminal illness. There are rules to using these wonderful, powerful meditations. The first 5 rules apply to both the 40-day manifestation meditation and the 40-day forgiveness meditation. Rule number 1, say or write the affirmation once a day for 40 days. Rule number 2, if you miss a day, start over again. It's like a chain. If a link in the chain is broken, the chain is broken. For example, I missed the 22nd day when I was doing the 40-day manifestation meditation for my twin soul, how I found my husband, and I had to start all over again. It wasn't until the 39th day of the second time I went through it that I ran into him. Rule number 3, only do one meditation at a time. That's because you're working with repetition and your subconscious can only handle one thing at a time. Rule number 4, don't tell anyone what you're doing. It's between you and your subconscious. You don't want someone else's opinions or negativity or input clouding your intent. Rule number 5, say it and forget it. If you find yourself obsessing about it, just say thank you, thank you, thank you over and over again. In other words, I'm saying find ways to be grateful for the life you have right now, because after all, when you are grateful, like attracts like, and you attract more things to be grateful for. Now, the next 3 rules apply only to the 40-day manifestation meditation. Rule number 6, don't expect anything to happen until the 39th, 40th, or 41st day. Remember, I didn't run into my future husband until the 39th day. If you don't get what you asked for on the 39th, 40th, or 41st day, see what you did get instead. It could be the answer to a deeper request. Rule number 7, phrase it as if you already have it. For example, I was not saying, oh, please don't bring me another loser. And I wasn't saying, oh, I want a wonderful man. Because, in that case, I would have been attracting a loser or the feeling of a wanting. Instead, I said, thank you that I'm with my twin soul, or something like that. My husband and I have now been married 26 years, and there's more in my book, Have Your Heart's Desire. The link is down below in the description. Now, rule number 8, say the daily affirmation with mindfulness and intent. Here's a story about a young woman who wanted a twin flame, meaning a really hot lover. Unfortunately, she really was not into this, so she didn't really believe it, and she said it only half-heartedly. Well, on the 40th day, her mother handed her 2 candles, twin flames. Whoa, that's when she knew that it worked. And then the next time she said it with mindfulness and intent. And this time, on the 40th day, she found the lover of her dreams. Now, of course, you don't have to do this 40-day manifestation meditation only for love. There was a young woman who was handicapped, and she used it and got a fantastic caregiver. There was also a young man, and he got a dream job. So you can use it for many, many things. You can download the 40-day manifestation meditation, which is also called the Law of Attraction prayer, at the link posted in the description below. You can learn all about the 40-day manifestation meditation in my video, including the story of how I met my husband. You'll find a link to it just by clicking in the upper right corner. The link looks like a circle with a small I in the middle. Now, the forgiveness meditation. Same thing. Once a day for 40 days. If you miss a day, start over again. Only one affirmation at a time. That means either the 40-day manifestation meditation or the 40-day forgiveness meditation, and only one of them. And don't tell anyone what you're doing, especially not the person you want to forgive or to forgive you. The forgiveness meditation is a wonderful healing prayer. It will help you to either release the anger and bitterness you feel if you've been hurt, or to release the regret and guilt you feel for having hurt someone else. Rule number 9 is only for the 40-day forgiveness meditation. Use the person's middle name or the name they don't use. This helps to communicate with their subconscious mind better. You can learn more about the 40-day forgiveness meditation in my video, including the story of how the creator of these meditation prayers used a dream to discover it. Click on the circle in the upper right for a link to my video on forgiveness for the words to this daily affirmation. You can also click on the links in the description below to download a copy of both the 40-day forgiveness meditation and also the 40-day manifestation meditation. If you have questions, ask in the comments section, which is also down below. Also remember to like and subscribe for more videos like this. And good luck with these wonderful, unique, easy to do ways of changing your life in 40 days. Go for it. You can do it. It's Carol Chapman, author of Have Your Heart's Desire.